What's up, YouTube? And this is your favorite boy, Humble Baby, and I'm here with
Linda.
Okay. Linda, today we actually want to know, to hear a story from you. Like, what's the most craziest thing that have ever happened to you in this campus? Or maybe your ex or job, about like some story from your friend. Just give us a story or something if you have
Story about.
It must not be about. You want to give us if it's about. You can tell us.
Oh God, it's not about me, but about my friend.
Okay. Oh yes.
Although I caught her having sex inside car with my one of my lecturers.
What? Wow. Yeah, so cool.
Yes.
Wow. What level?
Inside the car.
Inside the car. Wow. And
We were in ND1.
ND1?
Yeah.
Is she your close buddy?
Yes.
Wow, this is the first time I'm hearing something like this. Okay. What's your YouTube and this is your favorite boy, Humble Baby, and I'm here with, what's the name?
Favor.
Okay, Favor, today we actually want to hear a story. We want to know what's the most craziest stuff that have ever happened to you in this campus, or if not you, maybe your friend, you want to share a story with us.
The craziest thing that has ever happened to me in this school is I don't know, but let me just say the day I was so broke, I was in ND1. This boss people, they were owing me money. Okay, the guy said later I should come and collect the change, and I was hoping on that 15 naira, seriously, because I was fucking broke. Wow. I went back to him. He even insulted me that he's not owing me. I said I did, and I got it with a drink.
Wow.
So that's the craziest thing that has ever happened to me in this school. Aside that, all this lecturer wala.
Okay, apart from that, what about in a relationship?
School is just, I will not call school relationship. It's situationship, because last you go still live and promote. So
yeah, no, but that's true.
That is what I feel. For me, I don't know about that, but some people still get married to their fellow students. Yeah. I don't think it will last. So
do you have any serious dates? Are you single?
I'm single because I'm not married, but I'm dating someone, So
definitely, so you're ready to mingle?
If it's marriage stuff, I'm ready to mingle. If it's still relationship, I'm not ready.
You're not ready? So why are you ready to catch cruise?
I can be catching cruise. That one is normal thing.
Oh, it's normal thing.
It's normal.
Okay.
To be catching cruise.
Okay. What's your YouTube and this is your favorite boy, Humble Baby, and I'm here with
Jane.
Jane. Okay, today is actually want to hear a story from you. Want to know like what's the most craziest stuff that have ever happened to you in this campus, or if not you, maybe your friend, if you want to share a story with us.
Paying school fees and later realize that I'm not supposed to pay yet, and they ate the money.
Wow. So you didn't do anything about that? You didn't go to maybe the HOD?
No, I didn't go. I went to the bank for refund. They said that they don't refund, and that was the worst of it all. Like I cried out river because of that.
If not, you ask more questions, because something like that did happen to my friend, and she said, I don't know, there was a way she did the whole stuff. She got the whole system back.
Let me just assume that I was a novice then, because I just came into the institution. Yeah. So the thing was, so I just have to die the matter.
Yeah. Okay.